Anyway, oh my gosh. What's up guys, it's your new best friend Ceiba. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing sort of a get ready with me. I was just testing out the Morphe 39A and kind of updating you guys on my new routine as to how I do my makeup, just some different techniques that I'm trying out, all that kind of stuff. I have been on a hiatus sort of for who knows how long. I've just been dealing with some personal problems, some just getting out of a rut and just some things that are kind of hard to talk about. So I think that I do want to do a video on that maybe after I get back from Mexico when I'm ready. Besides that, I will be leaving on a trip to Mexico, obviously, as I just said. So I will be vlogging in Mexico and I will have that video up for you guys as well. Anyway, if you like this look and you are interested to see what I did to get through this, go ahead and keep on watching. Okay guys, so I haven't done my brows on camera in a while and I kind of have this new technique now because I switched from pomade to pencil. Okay, now that my brows are done, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyes. It's been a recurring theme for me to do my eyes first. I'm concealing my lids with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Light 18. And when I conceal my lids, I bring the concealer all the way out past my brow because I never know like what kind of shape I'm gonna do. I just recently purchased the Morphe 39A. This palette was, first of all, it's upside down. So this palette was out before, but then they took it away and I didn't get it on time, and now I have it. I went all the way to the Morphe store to get it. Oops, just dropped my mirror. This is what the palette looks like. It's freaking ginormous. Okay, like I'm sure it looks big with me holding it right now, and I'm a large sized woman, so this is huge. I'm gonna start with the shade Canvas. It's this one right here. And I'm going to look, first of all, I'm gonna hold my mirror and I'm gonna look down, tilt my head back, and I'm gonna start it right here under my brow. And I'm obviously taking just a little bit of product and working with that. I did not set my lids, just so you know. And this is gonna emphasize my eye shape and wing it out just a little bit. Now I'm taking a smaller blending brush and I'm gonna go in with the shade Sculpt, which is this one over here on the end. And I'm gonna put it about the same place where I added in the last color, but just a little bit lower. And then going over with that brush from the transition shade, this sienna color here on a little taper brush, and I'm going to start that about in the middle of my eye. So put the color down with the brush downward and then flip it upward. Hi! Oh, that was the catch of the century, ladies. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this brush from earlier. It's open. Are you doing the video? Yep. Can I borrow your lipsticks? Why? And now to warm it up, I know I said I was gonna keep it neutral, but take a fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to take this color here. It's called Vivid. And I'm just taking a little bit on that brush. So where I placed that burnt red shadow, I'm gonna warm it up. But I wanna keep it pretty neutral on the inside because I'm gonna connect my nose contour to that in a minute. And now I kind of feel like I lost that depth that I wanted. So I'm gonna go back in with that sienna color. And I'm gonna go back and forth, really take my time. I like that. We're gonna repeat those steps on the other side. My next order of business is to take some of my ColourPop concealer and we're gonna cut the crease real quick. I'm sweating so much in these lights right now and it's really hot in LA, but I'm doing this. I'm not a weenie. All right, now that that's done, I'm taking this gold or this bronzy shade right here and I'm gonna pop that on my lid. Going with my finger first so we can get maximum pigment. I'm gonna take a packing brush with that same shade, make it nice and clean on the edges. Now I'm gonna take that same sienna shade on this little angled blending brush and I'm going to bring that in a V shape out here and blend it into the lid color and bring it out just a little farther out here. I feel like this look needs a little more sparkle now. So I'm taking my Maybelline Master Chrome highlight in the shade Molten Gold on my pinky, popping that in the inner corner right there. Oh, there's this NYX glitter liner in the shade Crystal Gold, and I'm going to trace my half cut crease with this. And as I get to the center of the lid, use more of a gentle touch so that it blends right out with the rest of the crease. Can I help you?
Oh, fun.
And just kind of add some more glitz and glam here in the inner corner area. Mix that sienna color with black and I'm just gonna add it in right there, right here, and go right over it. So I also went ahead and added some black shadow to my lash line, just to give me like a little bit of that smoky effect. I'm gonna take this napkin and just clean a little bit under here. My skin's already primed, so I'm just gonna go ahead right in with my foundation. This is also something that I've started a new technique with. I'm taking the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. My shade is number 6. I take about 3 pumps of that. Anyway, I just kind of dot that around my face. This is a full coverage foundation, so she's a little thick, which is fine. I honestly have no problem with that. I'm gonna take a flat brush like this one. Typically, I hate brushes for foundation on myself, but with this foundation, I kind of really like it with a brush. And I kind of alternate between the stippling and swiping motions, depending. My baby hair is too much for me right now. And then now that I have that all applied with the brush, I go over with my sponge, if I can fucking find it, and I just pounce a little. Okay, and next I take my concealer. Ugh, I love this applicator. You guys have no idea. Like, I'm gonna repurchase this in a color that's actually a little bit better. This one's a little light, but that's because my foundation's a little dark. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have to let my concealer sit and dry. Hey guys. So I went ahead and applied lashes. Oh shit, I keep dropping my fucking mirror, bro. Blended my concealer and added my baking while I was off camera. And now I'm gonna go ahead and add my finishing powder onto my face. This is the Maybelline Fit Me powder. I just go ahead and stipple that right on to my skin. I like to set extra here in the mouth area. This is where I crease. And right after that powder, I go right in with my Morphe spray. And I take my beauty sponge and I pounce right on my under eye right after my setting spray melt that right in. So now I'm bronzing. I'm taking the Morphe 39A once more, and I'm gonna mix these two right here. And I'm using that. Circular motions. I'm actually taking this center color here for the mix of that. We love an orange blush. I do with the tip of my nose and the bottom of my chin right here where I have a dimple. So now that that's done, I think we can finish off the eyes. Okay, so I almost did a red liner in the waterline, but I'm not gonna do that because I will not put you guys through any more bloodshot eyes right now. I'm gonna go ahead and just add in some black liner here and bring it down a little low in the center. Okay, so this is actually a lip brush, but I don't like it for lips because it's fluffy. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna take that sienna color and I'm gonna blend out the black liner with that and connect it out in the outer V. And I love that this is like so tiny. Just this brush here that I used before. And a little bit of that warm color, and I'm going to blend out right underneath. I'm really taking my time today. Today's one of those days that I'm really thoroughly enjoying makeup. I've actually been having a really hard time the past couple of days, or the past, like, I want to say about like 2 weeks now. I'm gonna overline my bottom lip, and since we do have red tones in this look, I'm gonna go with this Cosmic Cutie Beauty lip gloss in the shade Twisted. This is one of my favorites. I do have a discount code, by the way. I will put that on the screen and in the description box along with the link. Next, I'm gonna take this Desi and Katie lip gloss with Dose of Colors. It's the over the top gloss, and it has gold flakes in it, or like gold glitter. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it and I hope that you recreate this look. If you do try this look out, please tag me. I would love to see your recreations. Before you leave, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Also, subscribe to my channel and join the family. And while you're at it, you might as well hit the notification bell so you never miss a chance of coming out with me. Alright, that's it for today guys. See you in the next one.